Press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to never miss an interesting update from CA Nanban. Hello everyone and welcome to CA Nanban. In this particular video, we are going to discuss about the threshold limit for GST registration, and I am also going to clear your confusion that has been circulating because of a recent tweet by the Ministry of Finance. So first let us see the tweet. The Ministry of Finance had tweeted that now businesses with an annual turnover of up to 40 lakhs are GST exempt, and this tweet was made yesterday, that is on the 24th of August, and everyone started getting confused whether this 40 lakh limit has now been increased for services also. So the answer for this question is no. The GST turnover limit for services still remain to be 20 lakhs, and this 40 lakhs is the limit which was announced last year itself in respect of goods, and it is mentioned clearly in the tweet also over here. Threshold increased to 40 lakhs in case of goods. So this clears the confusion. Now let us talk in detail about the threshold limit for GST registration in various states. Okay. Basically, there are three types of registration. One is threshold based registration. The second is compulsory registration under section 24, which is for agency business, e-commerce operators, interstate sale of goods, etc. And then third is voluntary registration. Okay, in this video, I am not going to talk about compulsory registration and voluntary registration. I am only going to talk about the threshold based registration, which is if the turnover crosses the threshold in the respective state, then the person has to get GST registered. So first, let us see the notification which was brought out in March last year for increasing the threshold from 20 lakhs to 40 lakhs, because of which this confusion yesterday was created. Okay, so in March last year itself, the government had announced that category of persons are exempt from obtaining registration who are engaged in exclusive supply of goods. Okay, so who are exclusively supplying goods and whose aggregate turnover does not exceed 40 lakh rupees. So the condition is that the person should be exclusively supplying only goods, only then their registration will be increased, their registration limit will be increased to 40 lakh rupees. Except there are few exceptions for this also. Number one is compulsory registration under section 24, which I told you about earlier. Then number two is person making supply of ice cream and other edible ice not containing cocoa, pan masala, and tobacco substitutes or tobacco products. So for all this, the enhanced registration limit is not applicable. Then third exception, person engaged in intrastate supplies in the states of Arunachal Pradesh, Manipur, Meghalaya, Mizoram, Nagaland, Puducherry, Sikkim, Telangana, Tripura and Uttarakhand. So these states did not agree for the government to increase the registration limit to 40 lakh rupees. And last, person exercising option under section 25 subsection 3, which is nothing but voluntary registration. So even if turnover does not cross 40 lakh rupees, a person can very well voluntarily register under GST, and this notification came into force from 1st April 2019. So the enhanced limit is applicable for year 1920 also. Okay. So now in a very clear and precise manner, let me tell you about the threshold limit for GST registration in various states. You can look at this table. For Manipur, Mizoram, Nagaland and Tripura, for exclusively intrastate supply of goods also and for supply of services also, the registration is 10 lakh. Okay. For Jammu and Kashmir, Assam and Himachal Pradesh, for only intrastate supply of goods, the limit is 40 lakhs, and for services or goods and services both, the limit is 20 lakhs. Next, for Arunachal Pradesh, Meghalaya, Sikkim, Uttarakhand, Puducherry and Telangana, the limit is 20 lakh irrespective of goods or services. And for all the other states, if a person is making exclusive intrastate supply of goods, the registration limit is 40 lakhs, and if it is services or both goods and services, then the limit is 20 lakh. Now here you have to be careful that this turnover is the aggregate turnover and not the normal turnover. Aggregate turnover is calculated a little differently. If you want me to explain aggregate turnover in detail, please let me know in the comment section below, and I will surely make another video explaining how to calculate aggregate turnover. And one more thing, you have to be very careful that this aggregate turnover is for pan India. So you need not see turnover in every particular state. Turnover in the entire country will be accumulated together, and if that turnover crosses the limit, then the person has to take mandatory registration under GST. If you have watched this video till the end, I am sure you would have liked this video. So don't forget to hit the like button. You can subscribe to this channel for more updates like this, and please share this video so that even others can be aware. So till the next video, signing off, take care, bye bye.